Hi everyone, I'm Lalabad. Welcome. Today I am sharing with you this palette here. This is the She's in Parties palette by Melt Cosmetics. If you don't know, now you know, because I'm going to tell you, Melt Cosmetics is Latina owned. I'm Latina, so of course I had to support my sisters. So if you are interested, or if you've been wanting to see live very close-up swatches of this palette on real skin and on tan skin. Ooh, I just gave you a preview. Stick around if you want to see that and you want to see how I achieved this beautiful look. Please stay tuned. We're getting close because this is all about the shadow. Don't mind my makeup that I'm wearing, but if you gotta know, I'll let you know the foundation that I'm wearing is the Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation stick, and it's in the color Almond. All right, I'm very excited about this palette. Very, very excited. I'm so glad. The moment it went on sale, the second before it went on sale, I was at the website and I just saw add to my bag. I kept reloading the page. I had to get it. I am all about Melt Cosmetics. I'm so impressed with their formula and their color choices and just their vibe as a company. They're so bomb. It's an all Latina, all girl company. Well, at least the owners are. All right, so here she is now. What to do, where to go, what color to choose from. I'm gonna start off with Total Immortal. So that's what she looks like. And there you go. Okay. So yeah, I'm gonna do a lot of blending. This video might be long, I don't know. But yeah. All right, so I'm going to do one eye and then I'm going to do the other eye off camera and bring it all together. All right, so that's how I do my videos. So, and I think I'm going to bring her way down here. Now, I did fill my eyebrows in with the lip liner that I purchased. Just so you know, I'm going to go in with Last Caress. And that's what she looks. Oh, she's so pretty. Oh my God, so pretty. All right, bring that right under that. Okay, so the shape I have is kind of, you know, the same shape as my brow. And I think that goes really well with my face shape in general. Just bringing the colors up to lift my eye and make it seem bigger, because everyone thinks I have lid space, but this is my hood and this is my lid. As you can see, I have no lid. All hood is what I'm working with. I'm working with all the hood. So yeah. Okay, so far I'm getting great pigment. I mean, like in person, it's way deeper than it is on camera. I want to just point that out. Grab a Total Immortal and I'm going to place that right on that color where I have it, but I'm going to blend it into this here, and you're going to see that line disappear and it kind of just looks like a gradient. You got to see, you know, you got to see the whole look at the end, but you're going to appreciate it more when you know the details. You're going to be able to see the details that I'm talking about at the end. So there's that. I'm going to go into Sleep Walk. Now this is a shimmer, and I'm gonna put this on my outer V. That's what she looks like. And I'm gonna put her right here. Do y'all see that? That was just one punch. Wham, bam, thank you, ma'am. OMG. Now look how deep that is, and that's a shimmer. Girl, she's sexy. OMG, she's sexy. And I'm gonna blow her out. I'm gonna blow her out all the way out here. Do you see where she's going? She started here. Started from the bottom. Now we here. I'm gonna grab a smaller brush. I'm gonna grab this brush, and I'm gonna get into Mean Streak. Now this is the darkest matte in the palette, as you can see. And I'm gonna put her right here. That's why I got a smaller brush. Right there. Why? I don't know. I wanted to try on my eye. That's it. That's the only reason. Trying to keep it on that lower V here. This is the lower V. All right. I want to try. God, this one's so beautiful here. Is it too dark to put here? I'm going to put it here. All right, so get the last color, which is Lost Control. You can't really see it on the brush. I'm going to put her here, hoping that she's not too dark. Put her in the middle. It's not too much, but because, you know, we're gonna blend it into this color. We're gonna go into Strange Love, which is this color here, and grab her up. We're gonna bring her up and around, up and around. Oh, she's pretty. I don't know if I can see up. Skeleton Kiss. And that's what she looks like. And I'm gonna put her here. And I'm gonna bring her up. I don't know if you saw that. You see the space right here? I'm gonna bring her up there. This would be considered detailed work. Okay. I'm gonna get my favorite under eye brush, and this is not, it's from a palette. It's actually from a palette, like an Instagram palette, but I'm gonna grab Total Immortal, and that's that lavender color that started up here, by the way. Let's just hit her up real quick. Yeah. I'm gonna put her first, and then I'm gonna grab Cheese and Parties, which is like a red. It's this one here, and I'm gonna put her all the way across, but more near the waterline. I'm gonna grab Mean Streak, which is the darkest matte, and I'm gonna just put it right here. So let me go do this eye and I'll be right back. All right, everyone, so here is the finished look. I added these Flaunt Beauty lashes, and they're in the style So Money Baby. I think they're perfect for the look. And I did purchase, I do want to mention that I did purchase this lipstick by Melt Beauty, and it's in the color Rebound. And here's a swatch for you. I felt like this color just kind of clashed with the look. So it didn't really go well with what I was going for. But what I did go for is this new Maybelline Lifter Gloss, and it's in the color 008 Stone. I felt like that went really well with the complexion, with the hair. It didn't clash with the eye makeup look, because it is a lot, but it's all me. This is me. This right here is me. The detail that looks like, if you didn't see this video and you just saw the look, you wouldn't realize all the detail that actually goes into this look. And I feel like it's just so stunning. I'm keep closing my eyes so that you can see what I'm talking about. It was worth the work, wasn't it? Let me know in the comments below what you thought of the swatches, what you thought of the palette, and what you thought about the look I gave you. I hope you appreciate it. And I hope that this video was helpful for you if you purchase this palette, or if you're thinking about it. I hope that I either sold it to you or at least gave you a look to think about. All right, thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day. Bye.